CBD is fast becoming a successful supplement to assist with a healthy lifestyle, and for good reason. Zatural CBD is organically grown, sourced fresh from USA farmers, and is among the most potent, professional-strength CBD oil available. Zatural CBD oil soft gels are 100% from the cannabis sativa hemp plant, full spectrum and THC-free, thus avoiding the false positive drug tests and psychoactive effect. The combination of cannabinoid-rich hemp oil, essential fatty acids, vitamins, antioxidants, and healing terpenes makes Zatural CBD Soft Gels among one of nature's most powerful therapeutic oils. CBD is commonly used to assist with acute and chronic conditions. It contains some of the same terpenes as dried cannabis buds that have clinical studies with incredible results. Professional-grade, USA organically grown Zatural CBD Soft Gels, available in 10 and 25 milligrams of professional-grade CBD oil. Also available is our high-potent, professional-grade CBD pain formula with added curcumin, or our high-potent, professional-grade CBD sleep formula with added melatonin. 100% pure, professional-grade, USA organically grown Zatural CBD Soft Gels, freshly sourced and powerfully therapeutic.